Salma Lanores. Alright, to our Panginoon treasures, please describe the gift na iyong ihatag sa atong gabitan. Thank you so much, Miss Salma. Salma Lanores is our Gabitan's tita. Alright, and now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have Mr. Rex Zapalos. Is he around? No? Then let's have Miss Kendra Ide. She's not around. Let's have Miss Danica Lorraine Abal. Let's hear a round of applause, please. Again. Describe your gift and why. Our next one is given a big round of applause, please. Alright, now we have our debutants. One of our debutants, Tita, Miss John Abad. Let's give her a big round of applause, please. So, Tita, paki-describe ang gift for Chester. And bigyan na natin po siya ng isang malakas na palakpakan.
Hi, sister. Happy birthday daw. Kuhan na siya kay...
Brief mo na, biling lang sa asa niya magamit. Magamit na niya, kanat daw. Alright, thank you so much, Tito John. And now, let's have Miss Charlotte Rupeles. She's not around. Alright, let's have Miss one of our debutants, Tita, Miss Julia Alan. Round of applause, please. And Tita, satisfied po ng gift for our debutant. Ayan, oras. So, if ever not po oras din, magamitin mo na siya. Okay? Ayan, thank you so much, one of our Tokyo of Treasures, Miss Juliana Bag. And now, another one of the tita of our debutant, Miss Eugene Montisillo. Round of applause, please.
Mrs.
And sabi ni Eugene, pakidescribe po ang iyong gift.
May ikaw titriti. Ha?
Anak na lang ha. Kaya mo, walang importante kung sumunod sa pagsimulo. Basta, maula na.
Sasano sa iyo?
Ay, siguro na kit-kit.
Okay. Thank you so much, Eugene. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have Miss Boyra Sagittarius.
Si ate makusugay makaanak. Slow motion na na kay...
Miss Marilu Dakalos.
Dili na iPhone. Hinayo na slow motion ba? Dili na iPhone na baby ra.
Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have the last one for our 21 treasures. But I can really say that this person is not, maybe she is the last on the list, but she is one of the most important person in our debutant's life. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Mrs. Annabelle Dacalos Ramo. Round of applause, please. Nanay, pag-describe po ng gift and can we have a brief message from you to our debutant?
Hey, happy birthday. Ako tanong. Ay, nakaroon. Nakapagod ako rin ako. Inaako dito si Moha.
Eh, nag-cry na sila.
The tear says it all. Ayan, bibigyan naman po natin sa isang malakas na palakpakan. And then, young ladies and gentlemen, pwede ko ba namin i-request yung mga 21 treasures na mag-proceed sa front to have a group